Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the VST, ECS, and Huawei eKit launch event. Today, we will launch Huawei's eKit series products in the Philippines.
This is the official launch of Huawei eKit's partnership with VST ECS Philippines Incorporated.
I would like to thank team of Huawei for appointing VST ECS as the golden distributor of the Huawei eKit. It's a run rate product of Huawei. And the meaning of eKit, as mentioned a while ago, is easy to buy, easy to sell, easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to make money, and easy to implement, and easy everything. Okay?
Huawei eKit just a sub-brand on Huawei, but with a dedicated product. This kind of product will be much more special design for the small, medium enterprise.
So definitely eKit would be a good solution and a good way for them to adopt technologies, particularly for the SME. So Huawei eKit is a separate organization within Huawei, wherein we have invested in terms of the number of employees for planning, maintenance, ordering process. But the good thing about it is, with all the technologies I've mentioned in the previous slides, the innovation, this is also being backed up by the headquarters.
With Huawei eKit Mini FTTO solution, we can deliver enterprise-level performance to the SME market, which will bring digital transformation into their business.